Hello, lovers and cherished subscribers right here on the channel. You're welcome to Billy Snap's channel on YouTube. Can you subscribe if you're new on this channel? Please do also tap on the bell icon and get all notification. Sanya insuno esifa eto na eyi ewo Nsawam kwantempon kese no so so hwede Hebron eko sapemai enipo my areas ho na tese we say insuno eyi pa enyagro hwa bridge ya ye penefono ayewaden say omba bridge no na etumi aboy na nanso insuno ama metumi eja eduma kaka hwa cars nketwa no de amon kokora. The long vehicles are, having upper hand on the, smaller ones because some of the, part of some of the roads are having these deep holes. I want to me and drive it, as it's raining and a bow ha a more edo into I want to me and who can also and drive it. Until yeah, near take Kazakasendo to say, Kazakasende, I move to me a driver and say also into shot. In some quantum ponos or another so I'm going to take you on a driving tour as it rains very heavily right away from Nsawam to Amasamai station. No who send us in some quite saying so twa is 5 years and send for a bre or quite so according to ma you should know how your friends, your family, your loved ones are suffering, even in case they are using the street or even in case they are staying around such vicinities. What will say yes, I'm brepa in soon quantity say at that quano sono. Yugusua ye quano. Construction is ongoing on massively. Yes, there are no sleeping, there are no darling cry. In sono, I say agino, in sono a year, I say, and go for into me and film. No case, we don't even advise them to even step in because I could have to mind so much me at Nako. By 24 years, you can try your little best now. And what's the pin kakra na wire kakra kufie cars na ebi company bi aba. Just look at this, big overhead ewo ewo rush area or rush junction no honor say overpass bako ewo supplement and about some year on Amasamai no ohwa long overhead amo na ho say you do no cars in the eco go slope and say kwan enye. On my left hand side, on my right hand side, no, some of the stores are only and so I muma. Since I want a slopey, I want to slope into soon I muma, my one for now, a year, a paint. Just look at it, just look at this. We now be will be at the man that say, oh, say, it's me, mom. I want to leave you to also watch the video from here to, Amasamai and just look at how people are going through and people are suffering on this stretch. Now also what we will say in case of Monaska they say that I have shower as a India Frey and Billy Empire na yensi udaima ope say yekoye projects where projects be not say ope say yeko take coverage the more update of the projects. If you're having anything to do with construction and want us to help you with, the update of the construction, call the number on the screen right there. And if say, you're putting that set, but say you're inspection, secret inspection, say, family no, or more ego so more yet one day, if you want to buy a land, if you want to buy a house, if you want to sell your house, please call the number on the screen and let's put you on and sell your property for you right over here. Bidding Eddie, Billy. Wait to me, subscribe to the channel, and let's get you more updates concerning road construction, real estate, live vlogging, trending news, and entertainment right over here. So let's watch how this video moves from Nsawam to Amasamai area. Just look at how people are suffering. The cars are not really moving, and it's going to cause a lot of traffic congestion in town right away. As in Umre, Ebana this summer. To mention video, no, it is an opportunity for you to build your perfect home and company right in Ghana. Are you looking for a perfect place to buy your land? Are you looking for a litigation-free land and registered? Are you looking for a serene environment to stay? Then this is an opportunity for you to build your dream home and company. I introduce you to a spacious litigation-free and registered 2 plots of land located at the Pokwasi Highway stretch. It is just 1 minute drive from the Pokwasi interchange and 25 minutes drive from the Kotoka International Airport. It is a 2 plot of land measuring 70 by 200 and close to the structure of the owner who is selling the land. Opposite is the West Home Hotel on the left stretch, which links the Accra to Kumasi Highway and Accra to Cape Coast Highway. The 2 plot of land is in good shape and in good condition, which has a landmark of schools, hospitals, companies, real estate, restaurants, hotels, and many more. The 2 plot of land is having 3 sides of roads around it, and it goes for $130,000, and it is negotiable. You can call these numbers if interested on 0544 673363, 0544 673363, or the UK number +44 79 31 31 0063, +44 79 31 31 0033.
Allow boss.